Hi everyone, how you doing? Redfern here once again. So today I'm bringing you the soft launch bonus and how this structure is going to work for you as a founder. Okay, so the first thing you need to understand is that anybody who is a founder in your team right now, that is a person who has paid $97, okay, you will not get a bonus on your existing team. This bonus is for new founders that come in during the soft launch marketing campaign. Okay, so now we got that bit out the way. How exactly is this bonus structure going to work during the soft launch marketing campaign? So it works very easily like this. When we soft launch, this is when the marketing campaigns also start. Now we've got 450 plus thousand founders now, and all of these people, as long as they are active and they have signed their NDA, which is a non-disclosure agreement, they will all be part of this marketing campaign. Now here's the thing, we can't get 450 odd thousand all started on day one. So during the soft launch, the campaigns will start maybe one day, etc. And we will have various amounts of founders who are in each of these consecutively starting campaigns. So that's how the campaigns are going to work. Now, once the traffic starts getting driven to your links, if someone drops into your team and they are direct to you, that is your level 1, okay, you will get paid a bonus of $20 for every single person, a founder, who comes into your team during the soft launch marketing campaigns. Anybody who comes into your team from level 2 down to 15, you will get a bonus of $2. Okay, so it makes sense that if you have an existing team now, you stand a far greater chance of earning a greater bonus during the soft launch marketing campaigns than if you have 0, because 0 plus 1 only gives you 1, but if you have 10, then 10 plus 10 is 20, etc. Okay, there's no guarantees of how many people will come in on the marketing campaign, but it is a bonus and a thank you, okay, from the company for the people who have built a team during the period of transition to launch. So one of the questions I get asked is, will people who come in during the marketing campaign of soft launch, will they be included in the marketing campaigns? And the answer to that is yes, as long as they have paid, active and signed their NDA, they can be part of the marketing campaign, because like I said, it is going to be running concurrently through the period of the soft launch. So say, for instance, somebody came in on day 1 into your team, then obviously, as long as they are paid and signed their NDA, then they can join the marketing campaign, which might start tomorrow. So you might have the scenario, they join on day 1 and then day 2, they are part of the marketing campaign. Okay, so that's it really in a nutshell. Okay, oh yeah, the one thing to remember is once soft launch finishes, that's the end of founders. We finish when soft launch finishes, okay? So the time really is now to get in as a founder, get sharing this opportunity. Obviously, you do not have to if you do not want to, but there is a tangible reason to do it now because of the soft launch and to grow your team. So let's just recap. Existing teams, okay, are not part of your soft launch bonus. Only new people who are coming that pay the $149, and you get a bonus of $20 for your level 1 directs and $2 for everybody else from level 2 down to 15. Anyway, guys, I hope that has helped with you to understand how the soft launch marketing campaign bonus scheme is going to work for you guys. If you're watching this on my YouTube channel, just underneath here, little thumb like that, give that a click. Okay, that really helps me to get exposure on YouTube. Also, if you've not already subscribed to this channel, just down below on your right hand side there is a subscribe button. Just click that as well and you'll be notified straight away when I do new videos. And best of all, please guys, we like to hear from you, so stick a comment in that chat area down below and I will get back round to you. If you're not a founder or reseller already, okay, just in the bio underneath here there is a link to give you more information about what OnPassive is all about and how it can benefit you to make a residual income. Anyway guys, thanks very much and bye for now.